In this example, we have the same table that we saw in the previous exercises, with the slight difference that here we've calculated the total of games played and points earned. In column H has been calculated the percentage of points each team has earned out of the total of points. There is one slight problem, though. If we suppose that the number of points Hamburger earned is not available, the formula calculating Hamburger's percentage out of the total points will display an error message. There is a nice way to deal with such errors. If error. The formula has two parts. First, you need to indicate which cell is being tested for an error. And second, you need to select a value that it should have in case there is an error. In our current case, we will have the following. Let's type if error in front of the formula calculating percentages and leave its content as the argument which will be tested for an error. The second argument that has to be selected is what we want to be displayed when there is an error. You can choose whether to select a number, a text message, or leave it blank. In this case, I'd like for the formula to display not available when there is an error. Okay, so the formula is ready. Let's paste it for the whole range. And in fact, we immediately see that in the place where we had an error before, now NA is written.